you excited? Do you like the new apartment?
It's so beautiful.
I'm inside of our new apartment. We just got the keys. My voice is probably gonna sound really hollow. I'm inside of our new apartment. I'm so excited. We just got the keys and it's so empty here. Let's open up our advent calendar. So today's the 11th. Oh, nice. One of the Ferrero Küsschen again. Oh, looks like Mario put a little message in there. He said schönen Umzug, which means happy moving. And he tells me he loves me. Oh, how cute is that? And this is the little thing that's in there. We decided to order dinner because we literally don't have much stuff here anymore. We moved a lot of our stuff today and we're not gonna start cooking when we are in the middle of a move. So we got some sushi, a really nice platter. Mario has his soy sauce there, and I don't eat soy sauce when it comes to sushi, but I have the rest of the stuff here. Doesn't that look super yum? Oh, I can't wait to eat this, I'm hungry. We are ready for moving day 2. The same problem every single time.
I'm too tall, I'm sorry.
Are you excited? Do you like the new apartment?
It's so beautiful.
It is, right? We are so excited. Oh my god.
The kitchen is awesome.
The kitchen's amazing.
The balcony is as big as this apartment right here.
No, really, but the balcony is really nice.
Yeah.
And oh my gosh, the bathroom is really good too, right? You have to show them sometime.
I like the shower.
But right now we're busy. Yeah, the shower is nice. Right now we're busy moving, so probably not gonna be doing that much filming, but
yeah, let's see how much is in the
basement?
In the basement or in the car. Let's see.
We'll be moving quite a while. We have a lot of stuff.
We have, yes, much to do.
Let's go. So let's see what we have in here today. Today's the 12th. Oh, nice. More of the Merci mini chocolates. The Merci Petit. And Café Sana, which means coffee and cream. It's already Sunday, so the move is in full force. We don't have a dining table anymore, do we?
It looks a little... sorry.
It's okay. A bisschen means a little bit.
A little funny.
Yeah, he's right. We're eating on like our windowsill, basically. We're still really tired. We just got up. So this is what breakfast looks like. And that's the view. The windowsill, like I said.
Those are so dirty.
Yeah, they are. We need to clean them. We got this room empty. It's completely emptied out. It's just a really, really tiny room that we used for storage. So we have a ton of stuff here. It was all in our storage room. So much stuff. We have some professionals here packing up our furniture. Most of it is gone. Isn't that crazy? Oh my gosh. We did it. Pretty much all of our stuff is in a new apartment right now. We still have our TV here. We still need to get that over to the other apartment. But all of our furniture is moved. Yes, we're so excited. Looks so good in the new apartment. We still need to go out and buy some lights today. And then we have someone come over and install them tomorrow. What else? We still need to unbox everything. Like everything's still in boxes. We lost track of what's inside of our boxes or where these boxes are. We actually wrote on the boxes what they contain, but we had to stack them. So maybe stuff that we need is on the bottom right now. So we'll have to check. But if you look at this, look at the light up there. It's so empty. There's still our TV right here. And then we still have all of that there because we're trying to sell it. Still have our washing machine here because we bought a new one. And then our bedroom, like my voice sounds so hollow. There's still the picture up there, but that's it. That's our old apartment, and I'm just so happy that everything's over there right now. It'll take a while until we have unboxed everything, but like I said, we're just really excited. There is stuff literally like everywhere. Everywhere you look. It's crazy. Okay, we had McDonald's for lunch. So much stuff. Wait, did I already mention that there's stuff everywhere? Now check this out. This is the bathroom. There's stuff even there. Good morning, guys. It's the first day in our new apartment. Today's Tuesday. We're so excited, but there's still so much stuff we need to get done. We actually need to go run some errands today, get some of our shopping done, because we still need a few things for the apartment. So this is breakfast today. Our table is just like a moving box. And some bread with jam and, well, he has coffee. Hey guys, it's already Wednesday, so Mario is back at work. I'm here by myself. It's alright though, so I'm still trying to take care of some boxes. Sorry about the noise. Apparently there are others moving in as well, so you can hear a drill in the background. I was trying to find some time where they didn't use a drill, but it's been going on all morning, so I guess we'll have to deal with that. As you guys can see, there are still boxes everywhere, but we have all of our stuff here. And a lot of you have actually messaged me about why we are using professionals to move our stuff. So I wouldn't say it's very common. It depends what kind of furniture you have. A lot of people buy new furniture when they move. But since we took all of our furniture with us basically, and the thing is, we have a huge closet that would have been horrible to move ourselves, because it's very delicate, so it could easily be broken if you took it apart. And then someone who is not really that familiar with closet construction, it would have been way more expensive to get a new closet than to hire some people to move our stuff. Of course, we have friends who would have helped us move, but with being in a lockdown light right now and the whole pandemic, the whole situation, we didn't want to risk any of our friends or anything. I mean, while people were there, we were actually wearing N95 masks, so we were protecting ourselves as well as others. But still, like, you know, they moved everything by themselves. If our friends had helped us, they would have stood very close to us and stuff, and we still wanted to keep that distance and stuff. Anyways, that's why we decided to hire some people to move our stuff. And a lot of you have messaged me about our kitchen. So apparently in Germany, it's very common to move your kitchen, like your appliances, your kitchen cabinets, all that stuff. It is not very common in Austria. I'd say like 95% of the time when you rent a place, there'll be a kitchen in there and you're not gonna move that kitchen. And that's actually one of the main reasons why we decided to move in the first place, because the kitchen in our old apartment, you guys know this if you've seen other vlogs, it's so tiny. And here we have like a full kitchen with a dishwasher and stuff, and it's just way bigger and nicer, and we wanted a balcony so badly. So we're really excited about having a balcony. It'll take us a while until all of the boxes are emptied out, until all of the pictures are gonna be up on the walls and stuff. It'll take a while, you guys. So I'm gonna be really busy, and seeing as Mario is back at work, he told me that I shouldn't do everything by myself, but I'm still trying to get through as many boxes as possible, because then when he comes home, he doesn't have to do that much unpacking after an exhausting work day. Apart from that, we don't have internet yet. We don't have a working TV yet. Like, we can watch DVDs, which we don't have a lot of. I have a lot back at my mom's place, but not here. We might actually get some from Mario's parents' house, maybe, because they have a lot of DVDs over there. But like, we don't have any reception yet because, well, the company that we're going with, a couple of weeks ago, we called them, told them about our move, and they were like, oh yeah, that's gonna take a few days to set up. And now it turns out they have different technology here at the new place than in the old one, which we technically told them before. So now it could take a couple of weeks, and we're like, we don't have internet and TV. It's not gonna work for us if we don't have it for a few weeks. So they were trying to figure something out. Whatever, moving is exhausting. Anyways, I should probably get dressed because, yeah, I have a busy day ahead. There are boxes everywhere. We unboxed a lot of stuff. All of our lights are working. We had someone install them yesterday. So we can see in the apartment now, which is great. If anyone has similar experiences when moving, let me know. Let me know how your move went, if you moved during lockdown or lockdown light, because we are not in strict lockdown anymore. It's lockdown light, but it's still stressful, but we're so excited about the new place. It's looking so good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you guys. It's so beautiful. All of the floors, they're hardwood floors, like real wood, not fake. So we were really excited about it. It's been a busy day, you guys. I think I'm just gonna end this video here because I actually need to find some time to edit it and upload it. Trying to not go over my data limit on my phone since I don't have internet yet. as I told you guys before. So the move has been not the easiest. There were quite a few things in our way. I'm not gonna go into any details, but let's just say not everything worked out, but that's okay. We made it. We're here in a new place, and the new place is awesome. So we're just glad that we're gone from the old place. There were some issues there, so we're just glad that we're here now, and everything seems pretty awesome here, to be honest. I hope you guys have had a lovely holiday season so far. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're staying healthy. And I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you click on that little red button down there. And also make sure that you turn the notifications on, like the little bell sign, so that you don't miss any of my videos. I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.